What's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of Ankr coin? What's the price change is occurring in the Ankr coin? And my friends, at this time, the massive gains occurs by Ankr coin. Absolutely, from the yesterday, the Ankr coin start moving upward, and the price is moving very good. That is why I'm very happy about this Ankr coin, and I'm feeling 100% positive about Ankr coin at this time. And you know what, my friends? If someone asks me questions that how do you feel today about Ankr coin, so my friends, my answer is that I'm feeling 100% positive about Ankr coin, because I know that this jump is just a beginning. The huge pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon, my friends. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.088139 USD dollar is the latest price of the Ankr coin. And on the other side, if we talk about the price change, so as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that huge gains occurs by the Ankr coin in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day, my friends. Absolutely a huge gains occur by Ankr coin, my friends. And now, my friends, it's a profit time, my friends. You can see it from the price chart. Everyone can understand that Ankr coin start pump in the last 1 day, my friends. You can see it from the chart. It's clear that Ankr coin start pumping, my friends. And you know what, my friends, what is your expectation from Ankr coin in the future, my friends? My expectation from Ankr coin is 100% positive, and I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the future, my friends. What do you think about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and also make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.